Okay, there, great. This week in Amentum, you have a question on multiplication part 7 that may be a little bit confusing just because it uses shapes instead of numbers, but all you're doing is just think of these shapes as like a fill in the blank that makes sense, okay? So we have 6 times 3 equals triangle, square plus square equals 40, and 4 times triangle equals rectangle. So don't get confused by this. So all we're going to do is just take this step at a time, okay? So let's look at our first one. 6 times 3 equals triangle. So my triangle is going to be whatever 6 times 3 is. If you know your times table, 6 times 3 is 18. So my triangle is 18. All right, so triangle equals 18. Forgive me for not having really good drawn shapes. I'm not an artist. All right, so now we got 2 squares. Now the thing about this part is, since they're squares, they do have to be the exact same number. So I got to think of 2 exact same numbers that equals 40. If I think about my doubles facts, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So my squares each stand for 20. I can say 20 plus 20 equals 40, and that makes it true. So squares are equal to 20. All right, now I have 4 times triangle equals rectangle, right? So, as I remember, my triangle stands for 18. So I'm technically saying 4 times 18 equals my rectangle. All right, so let's multiply that. We can do that down here. I'll draw a line to separate this. All right, so I got 18. Remember, whenever you're doing your multiplication problems, like in it's double digits, just to give yourself a little bit of room in case you got to write a number above it. 18 times 4. All right, I always start with my bottom ones. So 4 times 8 is 32. Put my 2 here. Put my 3 up here. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is 7. So my rectangle is equal to 72. All right, and that's your answer for multiplication part 7. You do have different numbers, but this is how you can do it very easily. I hope this helps you out. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions or need anything.